Hi, I'm Kayla Denarowitz, and this is CCR number 4, which is how did you integrate technology such as software, hardware, and online into this project? So before even making the magazine, we were using like computers and whatnot to do research and so many different websites to do research on these different magazines like Google. Even watched a few YouTube videos, but I used my camera on my phone because I didn't have a fancy camera to take pictures of my desserts, and I incorporated some of the camera techniques that we learned in class, like the rule of thirds and getting, like, the tilted angles. I made sure to try and use like different techniques that we learned in class, and then I used Photoshop to actually make the magazine, but along with Photoshop, I used an app on my iPad called Procreate, which is fairly similar to Photoshop, but for the iPad. I mainly used it to get really closely to my desserts when I made, like, my PNGs for my table of contents, and I also used it for changing the color of the background and, again, those tighter spaces that I needed to use my pencil on my iPad to get very close into. And then after the magazine was made, I used websites like these I'm making the CCRs on. I've used Prezi, I've used Amaze, and I've used Powtoon, and then I've uploaded all of these to YouTube. And then I have my blog on Google Sites. Yeah, I've used quite a few different little hardwares and software and different things online to help aid me in making my magazine.